The first steps in changing your rear tire is placing your bicycle upside down. And then you want to select the lowest cassette or the lowest gear. And then you want to unfasten the quick release. To remove the back of your tire where the cassette is, all you need to do is actually push your rear derailleur upwards like this, then pull out the back tire as easy as this. The next step, remove the valve cover. Then you want to get the nut loose by using a counterclockwise rotation. You should be able to get it loose. What you need to do is actually, if you can, some tires are quite easy. Go in, remove like this, remove the tire out like this, it's easier. There you have it. Let's remove. We remove the cap. Brave, wait a baby. Go. Insert it in the right point. Put it back in. Back into the tires, you just want to set back the lining, like pushing it back, the tires back into the rim. Use this tool, it's easier, push it back in. Putting back the cassette back into the rear derailleur. Remember to push this out. In it goes. And there you have it. As easy as that. Now what you're going to do is actually lock. Put that in place.